Holiday season is here. Everybody is excited, decorating, and looking forward for the big upcoming celebrations. However, let's take a look at some tips to avoid any bird hazards and keep this season injury-free.
Merry Christmas! As much as Christmas is exciting and happy occasion for you, we will try to make it as much miserable as we can for you. Christmas trees are extremely attractive to us.
Unfortunately, many natural Christmas trees are sprayed with chemicals, and the water used to sustain live trees may contain fertilizers. So if you're having a natural tree, maybe it's best to keep it away from your budgies. Many holiday plants are also potentially toxic, like chrysanthemum, English ivy, holly, mistletoe, poinsettia, and yew. Holiday decorations can be toxic. Ornaments may be made from cheap materials containing heavy metals. Our curious feathered friends may or will chew on them, which can cause intestinal blockage.
Electric wires are enticing to us.
Birds may chew on Christmas tree lights, risking serious injury or death.
I will chew on everything, whenever or whatever I want.
Strong fumes can be very dangerous. Do not expose your parakeets to holiday scented candles or room fresheners. Also, protect your bird from secondhand cigarette smoke. And don't forget about the danger of cooking fumes. Particularly Teflon is known to be toxic to birds, potentially causing serious respiratory distress or even death. Cleaning agents can also be irritating, and some products are actually toxic. Holiday visitors mean holiday cleaning. Be aware, use of items such as carpet cleaner or bleach has been associated with death and illness in birds. Discourage guests from bringing dogs or other pets into your home. Predatory instincts can kick in suddenly. During cooking, keep your budgies in their cage to prevent accidents with pots of boiling water and pans of frying food.
No! I always wanted jacuzzi.
Resist the temptation to share holiday treats with your feathered friends. Do not offer salty snacks or items containing caffeine, avocado, alcohol, and rhubarb. Never offer chocolate to your budgerigars. Chocolate contains theobromine, which is toxic to birds and even other animals. Sweet treats frequently irritate the gastrointestinal tract. Holiday stress is not just a problem for humans. Take your budgie's personality into account when making them part of your holiday. Some budgies enjoy the noise and excitement of the holiday, while others may become stressed. And finally, be prepared. Pet accidents increase dramatically during the holiday season, no matter how careful you are.
Are you prepared? I know I am.
For more about budgies, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are watching this video from YouTube and hit the bell icon to get notified when the next video is up. Or like the Facebook page if you are watching this video from Facebook.